this video, we're going to be covering pump check valve replacement, part number 54139 for the clinical vacuum system. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. Locate the pump check valves that require replacement. Loosen the pump check valve from the elbow side. Use a wrench if necessary. Loosen the pump check valve from the hose side. Remove the old pump check valve. Retrieve the replacement pump check valve from your maintenance kit, part number 54139, ensuring they match the specifications of the old ones you just removed. Replace all pump check valves in your system. Make sure the gasket is installed on each side when reinstalling the pump check valve. The flow arrow should be facing the pump and the horizontal arrow should be facing up. If installed incorrectly, the pump check valve will not function properly. Once all replacements are complete, power up the system by turning the red knob to the on position and ensure everything is functioning properly. By following these steps to replace the pump check valve, you'll ensure the efficiency and functionality of your clinical system. Thank you for watching.